Apple iWatch SE, 40mm, screen cracked. Step 1. Initial inspection. Carefully inspect the Apple Watch SE 40mm for screen cracks, touch functionality, and display condition. Step 2. Screen removal. Heat the adhesive and carefully separate the damaged screen from the watch housing, and remove the connector ribbon from LCD. Step 3. Edge glass trimming. Trim the curved edge of the cracked glass to create space for the wire cutter. This allows the damaged glass to be separated safely from the old display. Step 4. Glass separation. Use professional equipment to separate the cracked front glass from the old display. Carefully guide the wire cutter through the glass. Avoid damaging the display polarizer during the separation process. iPhone, iPad, iWatch glass repair. We specialize in Apple Watch and iPad front glass repair, helping customers across Kuala Lumpur and Selangor restore their devices while retaining the original display. Step 5. Cleaning process. Remove all remaining adhesive and glass residue from the display surface. Step 6. OCA lamination. Apply a new OCA optically clear adhesive layer and align the replacement glass precisely. Step 7. Vacuum lamination. Use a vacuum laminating machine to bond the new glass to the display without dust or bubbles. Need Apple Watch or iPad front glass repair? We serve customers across Kuala Lumpur and Selangor with professional refurbishment services, affordable pricing, and original display retention. Step 8. Bubble removal. Place the screen in an autoclave machine to eliminate any remaining air bubbles. Step 9. Quality inspection. Inspect the refurbished screen for clarity, touch response, and overall appearance. Step 10. Reassembly. Install the refurbished screen back onto the Apple Watch and seal it securely. Step 11. Final testing. Perform a complete functionality test, including touch sensitivity, display brightness, and overall operation. Refurbishment complete. The Apple Watch SE 40mm now has a like-new screen appearance, while retaining its original display quality.